you guys, back at it again from my couch. Today is going to be the unboxing of the Walmart beauty box right over here. I got it yesterday, but I was doing other things yesterday that I didn't open it yesterday, so I'm gonna do it today. Today, I think this is for winter? I'm not even, yep, see? Winter Wonders, and then we're gonna check, we're gonna check what we have in surprise. So we're gonna go in and check. Oh, it's open. Why is it open? We got a color bee. The future of color nail lacquer. Okay, it's a nail polish. And it was, okay, so this is more safe. It's a nail polish that I think I like. It's like porcelain, like purplish, really nice. Okay, next. We got Curel Dry Skin Therapy. I think we have tried this. I like it. It does give you some healness. Curel is a nice brand. The next thing here, it's a little Degree Dry Spray Ultra Clear Black and White Dry Spray Antiperspirant. So it's a deodorant. This is nice. This is a nice little like purse size little deodorant that you can have. I have tried the black and white ultra clear thing, and it does work. It doesn't go onto your clothes, and I tried the bar one. The next one is our Colgate Optic White Renewal. Removes 10 years of yellow stains. Is that so? Whew. I like that one. I hadn't seen that renewal thing. The next thing, it's Makeup by NYX or NYX Professional Makeup. It says Makeup Crew. Okay, let's see what's Makeup Crew. Let's see. Give me a second. Okay, so it's Makeup Professional. You can see here, I think there's lipsticks. I opened it from the other side so I can see it too, but it had a little thing there. It says Soft Matte Lip Cream. Soft Matte Lip Cream. And then this one is Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. I like this color. It's really settled and nice, so I like it. Very nice. In the little presentation box, it's so cute. It reminds me like of I don't know, like some Barbies had this kind of a thing going on back in the day. And I think that is it. Our little thing here says, here's to self-care and skincare, to an inner and outer glow. Here's to good hair days and don't care days. Here's to you. So we have the infomercials for the Colgate and for our NYX or NYX Rocket Mix It, Own It. So look, they had this one, and then they had the pink one. I'm glad they sent me this one. Is a little bit settled in the hot pink, but it says cruelty free, which is nice. So I think today, this month, or this time around, I think all of them are a good good choice, good things, but it's still not worth $5, I don't think. Because this was $5. They supposedly charge you only for shipping, but I don't think it was worth $5. Maybe only on this is $5, and that's it. But yeah, other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today for the Walmart beauty box unboxing for winter. And that is all for you guys today. I'll see you next time. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.